Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your Windows 11 login password. So what you want to do guys, just simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you want to go to settings, right? Now once inside settings, on the left hand side, you want to click in accounts. And from here, just simply scroll down and click on the sign in options, right? Now under the sign in options, this is going to show you all the different options there, and based on what option you choose to sign in, then you want to go ahead and select that option, right? So if you have a password, if you are using a pin, or whatever it is that you're using to sign in order to actually disable the Windows 11 login password, you want to select the option, enter the password credentials that you have, and once you go ahead and enter that, you will be able to basically remove it by simply not adding a password for the next step. So in my case, I'm using a pin. So in that case, I would go ahead and I would say, for example, change pin. So it's going to ask me to, let's say, enter my current pin, and I can choose not to enter a new pin and just click on OK, right? So that's how I'll be able to change it. So if you're using a password or whatever, all I'll have to do really now is just simple enter that current pin that I'm currently using right here and not fill a new pin and just simply click on OK. So that's going to leave it blank. And in your case, you will just enter a password or whatever it is that you use and confirm it if it requires you to confirm it, but don't add a new one. Just click on OK. It will allow you to basically remove it. So that's how you'll be able to disable the Windows 11 login password on your Windows 11 PC.